Hello everyone, this is Maria Reyes, student of the Master's degree in English teaching at IEX Pro University. Today we are going to consider individual factors of learning. In the first place, we have the difference between intelligence and learning aptitude. So aptitude is a natural ability to learn languages. This is considered very good because the students can get along with others and talking and good communication skills they can gain with this practice. Also, is considered intelligence. Well, intelligence is the ability to solve problems. So the students are good in any topic. But in this case, if a student has a low IQ, still he can learn a second language. Is not determinant for these persons to get a second language. So we can say the intelligence is not a factor that we can say if the student can learn or not. We have different styles of learning, like the cognitive styles. This style is defined by Brown in 1973 as a combination of affect and cognition. So, in this case, when the students are in a good mood and they have the ability to learn, so this is the cognitive style. In this kind of styles, the students could be analytic, reflective, they work hard, and cautiously, they analyze the information very careful. So we can check on other modalities of learning like visual, kinesthetic, tactile, analytical, concrete learning, etc. We have many modalities. So it's important to know these styles of learning in order to apply the best strategies to get the successful learning of the second language. So in this case, we consider many strategies offered by the theorics, and we can look for the best that is applied on our context. One of the most important affective influences on learners is motivation. It could be intrinsic or extrinsic. So the intrinsic is an internal effort that the students do in order to reach the goal, to get the language, because they have their own interest. Like, for example, they want to get a better position, a job position, or any reward because they're bilingual. So this is the intrinsic. The extrinsic is the effort we have to put, like teachers, and they have to do it too. So, but it's external. So we have to motivate them. We have to work harder with them in order to get them motivated in order to reach the goal. So it's important to consider also another factor, important factor, that is the age. As Krashen mentioned before, he used to say, and he still affirms, that the children get the second language is easier than an adult because they're free of nothing can bother their learning. They don't care about what others say, so they're in a natural environment and they learn. Also, we have to consider the adults are very good on formal instruction because they're conscious already about this situation. They know what they want and they work hard. It's going to be a little difficult, but they're responsible. So we have to take take care of the situation about the age, because we need to make our planations according to the age of the students. Okay, so in this case, it's very important to apply all these analysis. We have to take care of everything in order to know our students, and in order to apply the correct strategies. And also, we as teachers, we have a very compromise, a very good compromise, because we have to motivate the students. We as teachers must consider all these individual factors in order to make the process easier for the learners. First of all, we have to pay special attention to the psychological problems present on the students, since this blocks them in this learning process. That means when they have to perform any presentation or activities, and they got like shy in front of the group, so it's hard for them. So we have to work with them about it. We have to create friendly environments so they can feel comfortable, they can get along with others, we have to change the image some teachers have. We have to demonstrate interest on every task we assign to them. That it must be reachable, it must be on their level, in order to get to another level. So we have to be very careful. So teachers should inspire the students by transmitting his own enthusiasm and provide quality teaching with the correct strategies, so we don't get them confused, or we don't force them a lot. So we have to try to get the easiest way for them. They have to feel comfortable, they have to feel that they want to do it. It's not good to force them. Sometimes parents are more interested in having a son or daughter bilingual, right? Bilingual son or bilingual daughter. But we have to talk to the parents as well, explain the situation, explain how it works. So we have to be very careful when we approach the students, the techniques we want to apply, and also we have to consider the materials we have. Sometimes I understand some institutions have a very good technology, some others don't. So we have to be more the we have to plan more consciously. All our classes, consider all the situations the students are passing at the moment, and try to get the best. I mean, it's not easy, but I understand if we have all these tools that we're getting in this master's degree, I think it's going to be easier for us as well. It's so satisfactory when we get the reality, and we can get very students interested in this matter. So thank you so much for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye.